Let's face it, 99% of traders fail. Only 1% make consistent profits after fees. Most quit within months, overwhelmed, frustrated, and chasing quick riches. At Market Mindset University, we teach you why, and more importantly, how to avoid becoming another statistic. Here's why traders fail. 1. They don't stick to a clear plan. 2. They haven't developed the right mindset. 3. They react emotionally to the market. 4. They lack the guidance of a proven mentor. And 5. They let their heart, not the chart, lead the way. But there's a better path. 1. Master the essentials. MMU was designed to give the right tools to become profitable. 2. Practice your trading strategies first. Place a minimum of 50 practice trades before using real money. We recommend using Think or Swim by Charles Schwab and TradingView. Both are free to use. 3. Build the right mindset to stay consistent. Every lesson we offer builds upon strengthening your trading mindset. And 4. Learn to trade with the chart, not with your heart. Candlesticks will tell you when to buy and when to sell. Don't contradict them. Thank you for watching. We're so happy you're here. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share. You're doing great. Keep your momentum.